Do the dead keep watch over us? Let's look at this question. Do mothers look after their children after death? Yes. Very often, a mother who has recently passed out will watch over her children for a long time. And instances have been recorded where mothers have saved their babies, their children, from dangers. Though not knowing consciously, though they are dead, and not knowing consciously how to materialize, their love for their children and the intense fear for their safety cause the mothers in such instances to draw to themselves material so that they could be seen by their children. Therefore, it is perfectly true that they watch over their loved ones for a very long time after they have passed out. It has been often noted by persons attending the death of a mother whose children had earlier on passed out, perhaps a number of years, that at the time of dying, the mother will see the children at her bedside and may even be conversing with them. For instance, saying, "Hey, why? There is Johnny, and what a big boy he has grown to be," and so on. They see those children and they converse with them. The people around the bed will probably think that the dying person is in a state of hallucination, but it is not. It is real. Many people, they pass out without again seeing the physical world at that time they are dying. That is the change from our light vibrations to the higher vibrations of the desire world, and is similar to the intense light that is described as darkness that spread over the earth at the time of the crucifixion of Christ Jesus. It was actually not a darkness, but the vibration of this earth planet got increased, and our eyes, being of a lower vibration, thought it was darkness. It was increased light. With other people, it happens that the darkness leaves after a moment and the person has spiritual vision, seeing both the physical world and the desire world. And there, of course, appear the loved ones who have been attracted by the impending death, which is birth into the spiritual world. Of course, with some people, when they are about to die, the loved ones are always around, attending to the departure. Therefore, we may say that our loved ones are interested in our welfare for a long time after passing out. But it must be remembered that there is no transforming power in death. Just as you are on earth, so are you in the spiritual realms too. Do not think that by death, when you are evil over here, you'll be transformed to an angel over there. It doesn't work like that. Death doesn't change it at all. It does not give the dead any special ability to care for us. And it's of no use trying to worship them. It doesn't work like that. A bad person on earth is a bad person over there. To be factual, they have no means of influencing our affairs. They cannot interfere with our free will. So that it is not quite right to look upon the dead as guardian angels. No, it doesn't work like that. They are merely interested spectators, except in a few specific instances where an intense love enables them to perform some slight service in case of great need. That is what they can do. And the way they perform that service is different. That service, however, will never take the form of adding to our spiritual growth. The dead cannot add to our spiritual growth. But it's more like in the nature of warning us of a danger ahead. That they can do. Warning us of a danger ahead. But they will not come and change it for us. The next for us to look at is, how do the dead appear? How are they dressed? Do they dress as we do here?
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.